If you suffer from erectile dysfunction, then this video has something for you. Today's video is regarding Eroxon gel, which is a game changer in men, and clinically proven to treat erectile problems in men. Its action is so fast that you get an erection within 10 minutes. In this video, we will let you know how Eroxon works, how to use in detail, when to apply, and its possible side effects. Eroxon gel works by delivering a rapid cooling, followed by a gradual warming effect, which stimulates the nerve endings of the glans penis, which leads to increased blood flow, helping men to get an erection within 10 minutes of application. Good thing is, it doesn't need prescription and has minimal side effects. Use this gel 10 minutes before the sex. Now let's see how to use this gel. Open the tube. Squeeze tube firmly to empty all the contents, which will provide the correct dose. The dose would be approximately a pea-sized amount of gel. Apply this gel to the head of your penis. Massage the gel onto the head of your penis for about 15 seconds, and wait for it to take the effect. That's it, you are done. Note: if you are uncircumcised, gently pull your foreskin back as far as comfortable before applying the gel. Some of the side effects which you may experience are: rarely, using Eroxon gel, it can cause skin irritation, which is feeling of burning, itching, or soreness. If you or your partner experience any persistent irritation, speak to your doctor or pharmacist. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.